Strong Hybrid offers best-in-class fuel efficiency. One of the main aspects of Strong Hybrid is regenerative braking. It allows the vehicle to generate energy during deceleration or braking. Let us look at some driving habits for maximum fuel efficiency in Strong Hybrid. Strong Hybrid has 3 drive modes: Normal, Eco, and Power. Use Eco mode, as it provides the best fuel efficiency amongst all 3 driving modes. Additionally, practice gradual braking, as it helps generate energy through regenerative braking function. While driving, avoid sudden acceleration or sudden braking, and try to be as smooth as possible. Additional tips for maximum fuel efficiency. In order to reduce electrical load, switch off co-driver ventilated seat when not in use. Switch off rear AC when not in use. Maintain optimum AC temperature based on weather conditions. Close the sunroof when not required for best AC performance and fuel efficiency. Do not block the air intake for high voltage battery, which is located besides rear seat in Grand Vitara and under the co-driver seat in Invicto. Maintain tire pressure as per manufacturer recommendations. Moreover, in order to ensure efficient driving, use the MID to keep track of fuel efficiency. Now let us revise the 5 key highlights of this video. Drive in Eco mode for best fuel efficiency. Gradual braking helps generate energy through regenerative braking. While driving, avoid sudden acceleration or sudden braking. To reduce electrical load, switch off auxiliary systems when not in use. Maintain tire pressure as per manufacturer recommendations.